Are you ready?
Yes, we have two salad and then and the house special and then Jack.
I want a cheese pizza, please.
All right.
I will seafood pizza. Thank you.
And I have a lasagna.
And to drink?
2 Cokes and 2 beers, please.
Very well. Right? Ah, sorry. Flying pizza. Here you are. Enjoy your meal.
Yeah, don't eat with your fingers. Use the knife and the fork. And hey, don't slap your fork when you are drinking. Come with you too. We are in a restaurant.
Is everything all right?
Yes. Can we have the list, please?
Right. Okay, here you are. Eat. Okay. Thank you. Stay on like food. Bye bye. Looking at me.
And then,
No.
Class.